In our hyper-connected digital age, genuine human connection has never been more elusive. Despite technological advances that keep us constantly in touch, 61% of young adults report frequent feelings of loneliness, triple the rate from the 1980s. This video explores why our relationships are struggling, and provides practical strategies to rebuild meaningful connections in today's world. The statistics paint a concerning picture of our social landscape. The average person had 3 close friends in 1990. Today, that number has dropped to just 1. Meanwhile, 63% of men under 30 are single, compared to only 29% in 1990. Research from the Harvard Study of Adult Development, spanning over 80 years, conclusively shows that meaningful relationships are the single strongest predictor of happiness and longevity, more important than wealth, fame, or professional success. While social media platforms promise connection, research from the University of California shows that digital interactions generate only 25% of the oxytocin, the bonding hormone, produced during face-to-face meetings. We're substituting likes and comments for genuine human interaction. Traditional community pillars have weakened significantly. In 1970, 72% of Americans knew most of their neighbors by name. Today, that figure stands at just 31%. Today's dating landscape has undergone a dramatic transformation as women achieve unprecedented educational and financial success. Women now earn 58% of bachelor's degrees, yet hypergamy, the tendency to seek partners of higher socioeconomic status, remains powerful. This creates a mathematical mismatch where approximately 80% of women compete for the top 20% of men, while the remaining 80% of men must compete for the attention of just 20% of women. This imbalance is further complicated by career-focused lifestyles that push family formation later, with the average first-time mother now 30 years old compared to 21 in 1970. Relationships that reached the 1-year mark began on dating platforms. Research from Stanford Social Research Center shows that people who engage in regular group activities form friendships 30% faster than those relying on casual conversations. The key elements for friendship development include consistency, regular interaction, vulnerability, sharing personal experiences and shared activities, creating memories together. Structured regular activities have a 58% success rate, while creating micro-communities has a 47% success rate. Studies show hosting creates stronger social bonds than attending others' events, with people who initiate gatherings reporting 43% higher friendship satisfaction. Relationship success correlates strongly with emotional intelligence, or EQ. People with high EQ are 40% more likely to maintain long-term connections through self-awareness, empathy, communication, and conflict resolution. Couples who practice strong communication skills have 67% higher relationship satisfaction, while those who can discuss sensitive topics respectfully report 58% higher relationship satisfaction than those who avoid such conversations. People who intentionally develop these skills report 47% higher relationship satisfaction across both friendships and romantic partnerships. The relationship crisis isn't inevitable, it's reversible. By prioritizing face-to-face interactions, practicing vulnerability, and making consistent efforts to maintain relationships, we can reverse the troubling trends of isolation. Loneliness isn't just unpleasant, it's dangerous, increasing mortality risk by 26%, comparable to smoking 15 cigarettes daily. Take action today. Join a regular group activity, reach out to reconnect with an old friend, or practice a micro-connection with someone in your community. Your future happiness and health depend on the connections you build starting now. What one step will you take this week to strengthen your social bonds?
Hey there! Thank you for your interest. For more interesting information, hit the subscribe button down there. Come on, do it. Thank you. Or visit us on www.unify.world. That's unify with 2 Y's. Thanks and see you soon.